Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. And today I am here to do another of the cards from my class in the post that was for May 2021. Yeah, this is one of the cards from that. So I'm just going to replicate the card. This is the sample I made for the class. Whoops. So there you can write what you want in there. So I'm just going to go with the thank you sentiment. So what I've done is I have cut out from this set one of the rectangles. These are just fantastic. These scallop contours dies. They all layer. There's about 5 that layer inside each other, and then you've got some dies that cut out your flowers. So yeah, today I'm just going to quickly replicate this card. I'm going to use the fresh freesia for this one. I've got my card base. There's not a lot required for this one. So you just need your card base. I've got a piece of basic white just to line inside, and then I've got my piece for my sentiment and my stamping. So first of all, what I'm going to do to add a bit of interest to the card is I'm going to do tone on tone stamping with the wee splatter stamp that we've got here. I'm just going to get my bone folder to make this lie flatter. It's a nice crisper fold there. So really just get, I've got fresh freeze. I'm using the ink colours, but obviously you can use any colours you like, whatever colours you've got to do it. So it's going to be a landscape card, so I'm just I don't need to worry too much about the middle of the card because the die cut is going to go over it, but I love tone on tone. Don't know what I did there. Never mind, it'll be fine. Mark that a wee bit. I don't know what that's with. Just the way the stamp went down on it, I think. So just wipe that off. So that'll be fine. As you see, that's going to go there, so you don't need to worry about the middle of the card. So that's the card base sorted. And then this is a technique I use all the time. Put the sentiment roughly in the middle and then stamp around about it. It looks different every time because if you're using a different stamp set. So I'm using Soft Succulent, and I'm just thank you for everything, and I'll just pop that. You don't have to go for the middle. Just a habit I've got. I just quite like the look that it gives you. And then I'm just going to use this time fresh freesia. This one is in polished pink. Right, so I'm just basically doing 3 of the outline. And I'm going to do, instead of filling in the bits, those bits, I'm just going to use the bit for infilling, which is really quite textured, so I quite like the look of that. And then I've got just a little bit here, and I think this little bit is really for colouring up this little bud. But I am going to use it just to give the flowers a bit of colour in the middle. And I'm going to use pale papaya for that, just because I like it. I'm just adding colour. I'm actually going to go over that a couple of times. The same there. There we go on this one. That's fine. Basically, that's all there is to this. This is probably card one just to get you warmed up. I'm filming them in a different order, but I'll sort them out so that the easiest ones first, and then it's easier for you to. Sometimes you just need a wee easy one just to settle down. So it might be easy, but it's really really pretty. So I'm using up the end of this dimensional sheet before I open another one. That corner there. Oops. Stick that in the middle there, and then we'll get a new sheet. Try not to be wasteful. One more about there, right, I think that will be plenty. Oh no. Right, sorry about the oh no, I just realised there's not much power in my phone. I better just... Whoa. Sorry, there's a wee jump. I might edit that out, but probably not, 'cause, well, it's real, isn't it? Just got it in time. That was it, just putting up the message saying you're low, battery's low, or whatever it says. Right, so then I just pop that down. And there you go. Now I didn't add any bling to the sample, but obviously you can if you want. I actually like just a simple card. So there you have it. One of the cards from May's class kit. Please subscribe, please push the bell button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm not finished. You've maybe left, I've not done the liner. Oh dear. What a day. Right, I really just want to quickly pop this. Let me know if you managed to catch this bit. You might have left. So really just pop in one there and one there on the corner, slightly off. It just looks better. Oops, don't put your finger in the pad. Not a good idea. And I'll glue this in and then I'll be finished. That's if any of these glues working. I was filming earlier on today and I left the glue lying, so nuts. I need to get one of those pins for my glue. I've got a pin here, but I'm always hunting for it. See if I can get that to go. If not, we'll see. I've got plenty new ones, so I can't be bothered to faff all day, but I think it's going to come yet. Just pop this in. Make it straight. Well, this time I'm finished. Thanks everyone. Let me know if you made it to the end or if... Thank you so much. Bye bye.